Nandiyan na si
expenses.
Congressman
Ay,
Chanco.
ayan si Congressman?
Nandiyan na siya. Hi, Congressman.
Yes, sir.
Ayun.
Yes, Ma'am Ami and
Hi.
Sir Ed.
Yan. Hi, sir.
Happy
Magandang
New Year.
hapon.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Sir,
Yes.
Sir, binuburi rin namin itong Christmas bonus na to na siniwalat ni Congressman Lebiste. At ang sabi niya, by implication kasi, lahat daw ng congressman nakatanggap. Number one, tama bang may Christmas bonus? Of course, you're a congressman. Tama bang may Christmas bonus? Number two, 2 million ba yan? Number three, lahat ba meron?
Hindi, ganito. Simulan natin doon sa MOOE, no? Para maliwanag.
Yes, sir.
Okay, di ba yan ang pinagsimulan niyan, yung MOOE, di ba? So, ang sinasabi, aside from our salary, meron kaming natatanggap na MOOE every month, di ba? Okay. Totoo may natatanggap kaming MOOE every month, pero nagsimula yan ever since the time na naging congressman ako. Ami, if you look at your Viber, pinakita ko yung payslip ko kasi first term ko bilang congressman was in 2010, no? So, syempre, unang sahod ko yun, pinicturean ko kasi parang remembrance, di ba? My first salary as congressman. May kita mo doon, talagang may MOE doon, may representation, may district office. So, totoo yun. Aside from our salary, meron kami MOE monthly, no? Hindi bago yan. This is not new. This is not a new invention. Simula nung ako'y naging congressman in 2010, meron na yan. So it has, sa lahat ng administrasyon. So yung 2010 was the administration of former President Pinoy. Congressman ako nung panahon ni President Duterte, meron pa rin yan. Congressman ako ngayon, meron pa din. So it's not a new invention. And para pakitang wala akong pinatago, pinakita ko, sinend ko pa kay Ami yung breakdown na handon. Yung breakdown ng 2010. Okay? So, hanggang ngayon, meron niyang MOE monthly. Okay? So, number one. Number two, yung Christmas bonus, hindi ko alam kung tinatawag ng Christmas bonus yan. Pero again, ever since naging congressman ako, every time magbe-break, merong ano yan, hindi bonus ang tawag eh. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag nila doon eh. But every time magbe-break, so ibig sabihin, ang break namin is yung papuntang Undas, di ba? Yung yung first break namin, kung magsimula tayo ng SONA, so mag-resume kami SONA.
Yes, sir.
Hindi, SONA. Tapos, bago mag-Undas, dapat tapos na kami sa budget. So may break kami doon. Meron yan. Okay? Pagtapos namin mag-break, magbe-break ulit kami pang Christmas. Meron yan.
Hindi, undas.
Hindi. Yun yung first yung Undas eh. Yung first yung Undas, di ba?
Yeah.
Yun yung first yung Undas. Yun yata yung sinasabi na nasabay doon sa budget. Yung second break namin is Christmas break, di ba?
Yeah.
So, meron ulit yan. Pagdating ng of Christmas, babalik kami. Easter break, Holy Week.
Easter. Yeah, Holy Week.
Holy Week. Meron ulit yan. At yan, sasabihin ko ulit, hindi yan nasimulan ngayong administrasyon na to. Ever since naging congressman ako, meron lang ganyan. Okay. So next question is, binibigay ba sa lahat or hindi? At natanggap ko na ba yung 2 million ko this Christmas o hindi? So yung akin, hindi ko alam kung kasama ako dahil wala naman akong natanggap.
Sir, wala ka natanggap for Undas or for Christmas or for both?
Hindi, yung Christmas na sinasabi mong, yung Christmas na sinasabi yung 2, wala akong natanggap.
Nabudol ka, nabudol.
Okay.
Hindi ko alam kung wala pa akong natanggap or ano. Ngayon, is it given to everyone? I would think so. And it should be. It should be.
Pero sir, what
Pero yung
would
mga
it be?
nakaraang taon, magkano?
Okay. Hindi, yung meron ako isang beses na hindi ko natanggap. Pero I didn't make a big fuss out of it na eh. Yung break bago mag-eleksyon, I mean, hindi ko alam kung sino aamin doon sa mga hindi pumema sa impeachment. Lahat ng hindi pumema sa impeachment, hindi release yun. No, magtanong kayo nung, siyempre yung mga pumema, nakatanggap yun, hindi naman aamin yun, di ba?
Oo.
Pero, I mean, dapat yun regular eh. So, dapat yun whether pumema ka sa impeachment o hindi, kasi break noon ng February 5, Dapat meron. Pero hindi na, I didn't make a big fuss out of it anymore. I mean,
Pero sir,
bakit papalaking pa yun?
Sir, how much are we talking about here? Are these pare-pareho for each break o iba-iba depending on the breaks?
Depende, hindi. For each break, I think nasa 1.5.
Oh, each break gets 1.5 M.
1.5
If I'm correct,
average, Sean.
Hindi. Parang ang tanda ko yung huli, noong bago mag-undas, tanda ko 1.5 yun.
More or less ganun
Hindi
naglalaro
tama
yun.
kasi,
Check yun.
More or less, doon po
Tama
naglalaro
si
yung
Libiste.
amount, more or less.
Oo. Hindi, yung Christmas, hindi ko masabi kasi wala pa akong natanggap.
Tapos sir, what exactly is it or what does it fall under? How did you
sorry.
find
Anong
it?
description?
Hindi ko na na-check yung voucher na pinirmahan. Pero naka-voucher yan, no? So ang akin, ang panawagan ko sa house, no? Ang panawagan ko, let's be transparent about it. Ipakita natin, di ba? Because, sa tingin ko, hindi naman lahat yan, o yung MOOE, alam ko yung description nun eh. Nakasulat doon sa MOOE na tinatanggap namin, parang district operational expenses, tsaka miscellaneous extraordinary something eh. Parang ganun eh. So yun yung monthly. Itong pag-break, hindi ko talaga matandaan. Pero pumipirma kami sa voucher doon.
But
Congressman, magkano yung monthly?
Yung monthly, teka, kukunin ko lang. Can you wait? Nandito lang sa phone ko eh. Sandali.
Sige.
sige sir.
Hindi, pero Ami, I think for
Binigyan
transparency.
niya sa akin. Hindi ko hawak kasi yung cellphone ko eh.
Okay, ganito ha. Simulan natin yung 2010 ha. Para transparent tayo.
Yes, sir.
Wala tayong
Sige.
ine-exempt, di ba? Noong
Sige.
2010, ang basic salary ko is 52,779.80. Okay?
Kano? Point?
52,779.80 ang basic salary ko noong 2010. Okay?
Okay.
Pag pinota lahat ng district allocation pala tawag nila noong 2010. District allocation, ang total ng district allocation is 288,666.67. Okay. Yan yung total ng district allocation. So ang total noon is 341,445.47. Yun yung 2010, okay?
Okay.
Yung huling-huli, sandali lang, hold on. Sandali lang ha, para accurate. Okay. Ang district operational expenses na huli kong natanggap, for each district to, it should be equal, di ba? Is 718,670.
Monthly yan, ano?
Monthly, okay?
Oo.
Tapos, merong extraordinary and miscellaneous expenses na 240.
240.
Oo, yan.
Tapos, ano yan? By certification lang yan or audited?
Ano yan? Parang it's the same thing. That's why I showed you the voucher. May voucher yan, yun yung title, and then we receive it.
Oo.
Yes,
Hindi siya
but-
sinasubmit sa COA.
Ay, hindi ko na alam kasi di ba kami, ang amin lang naman, naka-check yan, naka-voucher. So, tanggapin namin. Yun lang, voucher lang pipirmahan namin.
Sir, if I may, sir, I'll go back dun sa yung mga break bonus. Let's call them the break bonuses.
Okay.
Kasi mukhang yun ang pinaghuhugutan
Pero
ni...
Ed and Ami, Ed and Ami, itong break bonus, ever since unang naging congressman ako, may break bonus na yan. Hindi ko alam kung may aamin lang. Hindi ko alam kung may aamin na meron na noon, pero meron niya noon.
Pero sir,
Okay.
what is it for?
Yes.
I mean, kahit pa paano siguro, they told you naman what it's for? Or...
Hindi, ang explanation on in my first term is kasi you will spend most of your time in your district, so may panggastos kayo.
Okay.
So, yun yung explanation doon.
Mhm.
But in reality, itong ano is naka-check ito
Yes, sir.
Naka-check yan.
Hmm.
So may voucher yan.
Yes, sir. And then, ito ay parang MOOE that's only liquidation by certification. In other words, we don't have to submit anything to
Yun na nga.
liquidate it.
Hindi, wala kami sasabit yan.
Oo.
Wala kami
Oo.
sasabit.
So, it's up to you na, it's up to the congressman to decide whether to use it for constituency building or for whatever reason. For whatever expense.
To be honest, dumadaan lang naman yan di ba? Parang passing through lang kasi pag daan yun, nasa stock na namin yan, parang gastusin pang bigay sa mga constituents, di ba?
Mhm. Mhm.
Tapos yung certification, kanino, may sinasubmit ba yun anywhere?
Wala. Basta voucher lang pipirmahan namin dyan.
Mhm.
That we receive the check.
Okay.
Pero yung 2, wala pa akong 2 Hindi ko alam kung hanggang ngayon, budget pa ako, kaya hindi ako kasama sa...
Or later release ka.
Sa...
Or
Absent ako
later
ng bukas.
release ka.
sa 2, no? So, wala pa ako doon.
Sir, yung binabanggit nyo kaninang district operation expenses, is this the MOOE? O iba pa yung MOOE? Kasi also...
Yun. Wala na kami tinatanggap aside from that. So,
Kasi-
nakasulat doon, district operational expenses na 718,670.
Yes, sir.
Tsaka
Ah.
ang 240 na extraordinary and miscellaneous expense.
Those two are the combined MOOE? Would I...
Yeah.
Those two are the
You're
combined
right.
MOE.
You're right.
So, yan ang parang...
Yeah.
and that's monthly.
That's monthly for all districts.
Mhm. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
I don't know why we can't be transparent about this, di ba? You have to be transparent about this kasi totoo naman yan di ba?
Mhm.
Okay.
Sige, sir.
And
Thank you for clearing that up.
again, hindi naman siya ngayong administrasyon lang. Kaya nga pinakita ko pa yung payslip ko, di ba? Baka sabihin ng iba, invento lang ako na dati wala naman. O pinakita ko yung resibo, lahan dyan. You can check
Sige.
sa cellphone mo.
Mhm.
So pinakita ko na talagang noon pa lang, meron na yan. Pero tatanungin, bakit tumaas ngayon? Ang salary ko noon is 50 plus, di ba?
Yeah.
So, ang salary ko yata ngayon, I don't even know the exact figure kasi kahit yung salary ko, sa stock ko lang binibigay yung cheque noon It's about 230,
Yeah, mga 200 na.
di ba?
Mhm.
230, so times 5.
Yes, sir.
So, baka yung MOOE, kaya, if the salary went up by times 5, so yung MOOE did not go up nga by times 5, di ba?
Mhm.
233 times 5 should be 1 million something, di ba? So, it's less than that. It's less than 1 million yung MOOE.
Tapos, sir, sorry, I'll just go back to very quickly lang I'll just go back to my question kanina. So, what you do with the money, of course, is all up to you. Kasi nga, it's liquidation via certification whether you use it well or you use it in a manner that is not consistent with good governance, of course, that's all up to the congressman.
Basta walang liquidation siya. Wala siyang liquidation.
No liquidation.
Wala siyang liquidation. So, basta pipirma ka ng voucher.
Yes, sir.
Pipirma ka ng voucher na tinanggap mo yung cheque, no? But I think it's fair. Kasi tingnan mo sabihin mo na lang, for simplicity, 1 million times, ilang congressman kami? 316? Magkano?
312, di ba? 312.
318 yata.
Ano na?
318 yata.
Oh, sige, 1 million times 318, magkano yun? 3.1 billion ba yun? Hindi, 318
Dalawa ng mga zero,
million.
Ed.
Hindi, 318 million times 12. So that's about 4 billion, di ba?
Mathematics
Hindi, that's about 4
sige.
billion.
Mhm.
Di ba? So, yun ang tanong na dapat sagutin. But I think the more apt question is yung 2025 ulit Kasi alam niyo ba, yung 2025, ang budget ng House sa NEP is 17 billion.
Mhm.
Sa BICAM, kaya hindi na kami nakapagtanong doon, noong 2025, yung budget ng House sa BICAM, dinagdagan ng 18 billion.
Yes, sir. Yes,
So mas
sir.
malaki pa yung dinagdag kaysa doon sa original budget ng House doon sa 2025 GAA. Kaya yung 17 billion noon naging 35 billion. Pero nagulat na lang kami noon kasi nalaman namin yon after na kasi hindi naman kami member ng BICAM, di ba?
Okay. O, yan yung tinatanong mo, Ed.
Okay.
So mas mababa yata yung, magkano ba yung house ngayon? Hindi ko na-check yung final figure.
Almost 30 eh. Kasama
pero-
yung 10 billion additional, ha? 10 billion additional yon.
Pero yung 10 billion additional this year was added doon sa...
Almost 28, 29 eh.
Hindi, inad siya doon sa Barsi pa lang, sa house pa lang. Yung
Sa house pa lang yung dinagdag 10 billion.
Kasi nung lumabas yung age gap, yan na yon. So walang natanggap sa BICAM na amount doon sa house. Compared sa 2025, yung 17 billion, naging 35 billion, mas malaki pa yung dinagdag doon sa house.
Ayan, nasagot na yung tanong mo. Ed.
Okay. Okay.
So ako ang panawagan ko,
Yes, sir.
The House has to be transparent, no? In previous, I mean, the next question is when did it start? Hindi ko alam eh, kasi nung dumating ako sa House noong 2010, meron na yan. At ganyan na yung sistema. May monthly MOE at may break allowance or whatever. Ever since I started in 2010. And through different administrations, ganyan pa rin siya, no? So, I think maganda na simulan na ng House na maging transparent doon sa bagay na yan. No? Number one yun. Number two, in the same manner na kaya, kung nag-nominal voting doon sa budget, hindi rin ako makakaboto ng yes doon sa budget eh. Kasi,
Hindi ka bumoto dito sa budget.
hindi kasi di ba A's and A's lang eh. Sabi ko kung nagka-nominal
Yeah.
voting,
Biboboche.
I would have voted no. Because ang pakiusap ko lang, napakasimple eh. Ilabas lang ang AMIS, October 13 pa lang, sinasabi ko na, ilabas yung amount ng DPWH budget for each district and each party list. Kasi lahat naman may budget eh. Eh hindi naman nila nilabas hanggang botohan eh. So, hindi ko alam kung ano yung tinatago eh.
Yeah.
Diba?
Yeah.
So, hindi ka pala nakaboto.
Hindi. Walang
Di ba
nominal
bote?
voting, Ami. Walang
Yeah.
nominal voting.
Mm.
Walang nominal voting. Hindi, pero yung walang nominal voting, lahat naman ng BICAM report, wala naman talagang nominal voting unless someone moves for nominal voting and gets 20% of the members to side with him or her for nominal voting to proceed. So, doon sa rules namin, lahat talaga ng BICAM report, pag renotify namin, hindi yan nominal voting. A's and A's lang yan, di ba botse lang. Unless someone presents a motion for nominal voting and gets 20% of those present to agree na mag-nominal voting.
Okay, sir.
Doon lang magkaka-nominal voting doon.
Yes, sir. Sir, we really appreciate your coming on board and being so forthright and transparent about things. Maraming salamat for joining us.
Ed and Ami, not everyone will say what I say, but I will always say the truth, no matter what it is.
But,
Thank you.
Pero maraming salamat, sir. Unfortunately, we're already over
Happy
time,
New
but I'm
Year.
sure the other
Yes,
programs...
okay. Happy New Year.
I'm sure the other programs will
Happy
also
New
call you up.
Happy New Year.
Maraming salamat, sir. Ingat po. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Okay, bye-bye.
Congressman Toby Chanco ng Nabotas.